Hi everyone, today I'm going to replace an e-coil unit, and if you need to change the battery on an e-coil unit on the Hyundai i10 ac3 model, this is a 2023 model and the e-coil has failed, but that's not the point of the video. I want to show you where it is in case you're gonna need to do that one day. So as you can see, I already stripped all this part of the dash so you can reach to it because it is right there. That's the e-coil unit. And to change the battery on it, you can't do it like that. You still have to take the one bolt out of there. Let me put the light on. One bolt there, and we got two bolts there and there to those two nuts. And then you take them off and you lower the unit, and then you can open the cover. But the cover is like this. Two tabs there. You lift the tab, and there's your battery. The battery is replaceable on this model. There are some Hyundai, Kia or Genesis model you cannot replace the battery, but this one you can. I think there's a part number there already. Might be, might not be. Anyway, that's how you do it. And you have to take the console back so you can have access to that. Then you have to take the charging port, the gear stick cover, the unit out, and there's the trim all the way there, the fascia on the sat-nav unit, and the cluster, and then there's your e-coil unit. Yeah, not fun. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you found this video useful, and I'll see you on my next video.